From this section onwards, we will see about cargo commands with features option. Features option can be used with cargo run, cargo build, cargo test. Okay, now let us see cargo build help page. When you add feature flag with those commands, you activate selected features or all features. Cargo features provide a mechanism to express conditional compilation and optional dependencies. This means, suppose if we have function for read operation and functions for write operations, from these we can build executable with only read functions or executable with only write functions, or both using cargo features option. Let us see it in action. Here in Rust library, we have two library function hello and hi and two test functions. Now I am configuring function hello with feature annotation by using #cfg feature equal to hello, and then configure a feature annotation above function hi, and link the check hello and check hi test function with the annotation. If feature hello is activated, then hello and check hello is visible in the context. You can check the hello function. Now we configure the check hi with feature annotation. If feature hi is activated, then hi and check hi is visible in the context. You can check the hi function. Now we configure the features in cargo.toml. We create a section called features. To define first feature with hi, we create a hi equal to empty bracket and hello equal to empty bracket. This is the way to create feature hi and feature hello. Here empty bracket means this feature doesn't depends on any feature. That is, hi is not depend on any feature, and hello equal to empty bracket means hello is not depending on any feature. And here we create all feature with the dependency feature of hi and hello. So we are creating three features: hi, hello and all. The all is depend on hi and hello. Okay, we create three features, but in lib.rs we used only two, hello and hi. The all feature will be used in cargo build, cargo test, cargo run commands. Let us see how to use feature option in cargo commands. Here cargo test -p means package, then package name Rust library, --lib means test only library with features hi in module tests with no capture. It runs one test. If we run cargo test without specifying features flag, it doesn't run any function, showing running 0 tests. Because we covered all functions with feature configuration, it hides all functions. We can have functions without feature configuration annotation. Here it shows warning in use super : because the feature annotation hides all functions, so no functions are visible in the current context. That's why it shows warning. And if we run cargo test with all features flag, then it runs all function within the test module, running two tests, and we have two checking function. and now we run with features hi and hello. So here we directly specify the features, and the previous command we specify all features. And now we will add library function with feature rand to generate random number and its corresponding test function. The genrand will generate the random number, and the checkrand is for test the genrand function. And here we, in line 35, we configure checkrand with the feature rand flag. Now we will add rand crate as library dependency. If we add optional true, means the package rand is made as feature. In line number 11, we will add rand feature in features all array. And let's create default feature array with the default feature hi. We can specify any feature in the default array. And if we run cargo test without specifying features, then it runs test with default feature. Here it runs only one function because default feature array has only one feature hi. If we run with features all, then it runs all matched features function. Cargo test dash dash package rest library with dash dash feature equal to all. It runs all three tests. Now we are going to compare the file size. First, build the library with only one feature hi. Cargo build dash dash feature equal to hi. It generates librust underscore library dot rlib file. Let us see its size. The rlib file size is around 15,552 bytes. And let's build with features all, and let us see the file size. Let us check the file size. It's around 70,220 bytes. So it shows the file size varies with the features list. Let us check it with binary project. In Rust binary project, add features for Rust library dependency. Here I select only feature hi. This is the single line dependency configuration. This is the multi-line dependency configuration. We can create our own profile with existing profile like dev r release. And in main function we used function hello and hi from Rust library, but we activate only feature hi in cargo.toml, so it hides hello function from the library. Let us run. Let's build Rust binary. It shows error because hello function is not found in Rust library. This is happened due to the feature of cargo, because we add only hi feature only. Now I add both hello and hi in cargo.toml, and the error gone out. Now let us check the file size. dir. The binary files is around 156K due to hi and hello. Now we activate all features, and here also we add the rand function. So we add the gen rand function in main of Rust binary. Now we build. In the previous we have only 156k. Now we build. Now check the file size. It's around 407 kilobytes, and thus we have completed cargo features functionality in Rust. Thank you.